A Walmart receipt can often be recovered just from the card you used, because the payment is tied to a transaction record that stores the time, location, and purchase total. By the end, you'll know exactly how Walmart's card-based receipt lookup works in 2026, what information is required, and when it actually succeeds or fails. Walmart's receipt lookup system works by matching your card details with past transactions in their database. When you go to customer service, they can search purchases made with a debit or credit card, and pull up the original receipt if the transaction is still available in their system. The key detail is accuracy. You usually need the exact card used, an estimated purchase date, and sometimes the store location. If you're close on the date but not exact, staff can often scan a range of transactions to locate the correct one. This method works best for in-store purchases made with cards. Cash purchases are much harder because there is no card trail to search. That's the main limitation of this system and why many people assume receipts are lost forever when they're actually just harder to trace. Once the transaction is found, Walmart can usually reprint the receipt or provide a transaction record. This is commonly used for returns, warranty claims, and expense tracking when the original paper receipt is missing. There's also an important timing factor. The longer you wait, the harder it can be to retrieve older transactions, especially if the purchase is far back in time, or if system access is limited at the store level. That's why early lookup requests tend to be more successful. Another thing to know is that not every transaction detail is stored in a customer-friendly format. Even when a receipt is found, it may not always look identical to the original printed copy. It will still show item level or transaction level proof, but formatting can vary. So how reliable is card-based receipt lookup? It works well when you have the correct card and a rough idea of when you shopped. It fails when details are missing, or when cash was used without any linked system. To keep it simple, Walmart can usually find receipts using your card, but only if you provide accurate details and the transaction is still in their searchable window. If you want more clear step-by-step explanations like this for fixing everyday payment and shopping issues, like the video and subscribe.